Imagine harnessing a power that empowers you to be more efficient, creative, and knowledgeable. That power is artificial intelligence. AI is reshaping the landscape of various industries, opening up new avenues for innovation and efficiency. Take Sarah Hoffman as an example, the VP of AI and Machine Learning Research at Fidelity Investments. She utilizes generative AI tools such as ChatGPT to supercharge her professional tasks, generating templates and outlines for reports, presentations, and code. These tools can significantly speed up your workflow. Now, you may wonder, how can AI help me succeed? Well, it's time to uncover the secret. Let's embark on a journey to explore 3 ways AI can help you get ahead. Remember, the journey isn't linear, and the treasure lies in the journey itself. First, we have efficiency. AI drastically speeds up the work process, acting as a virtual assistant that can generate templates for reports, presentations, and even code. Next, creativity. AI can be your brainstorming partner, offering alternative explanations and metaphors to spark your imagination. Lastly, AI encourages knowledge. It's like having a personal tutor that can provide explanations without any fear of judgment. The beauty of AI lies not just in its ability to perform tasks, but in its potential to inspire, to create, and to understand. So, you've learned how AI can make you more efficient and creative, but did you know it can also be your brainstorming partner? Imagine having a co-thinker at your disposal, one that's not afraid to explore uncharted territories. That's what ChatGPT, a generative AI tool, offers. It can provide alternative explanations, metaphors, and even generate templates for your reports or presentations. It's like having a silent partner that's there when you need it the most. But as with any tool, it's important to verify its output. Double-check the information it generates to ensure it's accurate and relevant to your work. And remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement. Its power lies in how you use it. As our journey comes to an end, let's revisit the key insights we've gathered along the way. We've discovered that artificial intelligence can be a powerful tool for boosting efficiency, unlocking creativity, and enhancing knowledge. It's not just about automating tasks, but about generating new ideas, brainstorming, and accessing information in novel ways. But remember, AI is a tool, not a crutch. It's essential to double-check any information generated by AI and use it as a partner, not a replacement. In the realm of AI, success isn't just about getting ahead. It's about embracing a new way of thinking, a new way of working, a new way of being. So, are you ready to step into the AI realm?